Very good, Sergeant. That report's perfect.
Meet Sergeant Deborah Fellows. Capable, efficient, precise, and about to become a military security leak.
Oh, Sergeant?
Yes, sir.
This is the background material on that file. Could you take care of it for me, please?
Certainly, sir.
Thanks.
For one brief minute, the sergeant is going to forget her operations security. What is OPSEC? Common sense, really. Like taking care of all the small details instead of all but one.
Sergeant, this is the draft of that classified report. Could you be certain that it goes in the classified safe?
Certainly.
Reading Sergeant Deborah Fellows' typewriter ribbon is going to tell someone every single word she's typed in the last 10 days. Operation Security. It's something to think about all the time.